darker and darker, and we're going to cause bleeds as we go. So we want it to be slightly wet on wet. Okay, so we're keeping everything flat on our laps so that nothing is dripping until we're ready for it to drip. First drips of the day. Here we go. Ready? Push that thing. There you go. Okay, we're getting ready for our second drips of the day. Here we go, Angie. Here she goes. Boom, boom.
We're just going to trust that it's going to all come together.
Yeah, here we go. There it is.
Okay, and then we're doing our drips down here again.
Yep, the rosy drips. Getting ready for our next set of drips.
Can you kind of bend it side to side a little bit, just down?
No, just down. Nice, look at that go. Drips. Yeah. So even though the shadows seem weird and out of place, they're going to add a lot of dimension to what we're doing today.
I'm way too far down on what my...
For our green drips, we did our shrubbery. Okay, here we go, dripping our greens. There we go, nice green drips. Got our purples, we've got our rosy color, orangey color. Yeah, what do you think?
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Yeah, only the greenest. The squiggles represent your shrubbery. Yeah. Okay, we're going into our splats. I'd start closer to your body and then work away from your body. There you go. Oh, nice one. You got a handle on this. You do. Go.
Are these supposed to be really little like this?
Not necessarily. You might need more paint. Good. Now we're going to switch colors and switch brushes. Okay, go for your new color now. Talk about texture, right? Hey, Hannah. Hey, Angie.
Hi.
So are we enjoying the kid part?
Oh, yeah, it's so fun.
I think I'm finally getting it.
Yeah, of course. We all get
While since I've been a kid, right?
it. Yeah. Let it go, right? Go for it. Signature time. A little higher.
Up in here.
Yeah. And 0623. Hi. So did you guys enjoy this?
Oh
Or?
my gosh, it was so fun. And it was awesome.
Awesome. You guys are awesome.
Baby, look. Show them your picture, Anna.